Run this way, little Greg.
Bree! Bree! Aww, big smile.
It's getting dark again.
That's going that way though, isn't it?
Look over here. There's blue sky north of it, but
Well, what do you think? Should I set up the dining room or what?
I don't know what to tell you. It may pass over, it might not.
Ernie, how much longer?
Oh, it's done?
Yeah.
Oh, some of it's done now.
You're going to sleep nice.